Welcome back to Click on Flavors of Ramadan, powered by Yoplait Yogurt and Grand Mills Fresh चक्की आटा। मेरा नाम है गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। अब देखिए आपको एक कहावत भी सुनाता हूँ। देखिए वो आपने सुनी भी होगी शायद। Early to bed and early to rise keeps a man healthy, wealthy and wise। अब खाने की टेबल पे ये कहावत चलती नहीं है। खाने की टेबल पर एक नई कहावत है जो मैंने अभी बनाई है, और वो ये है कि no to bread and no to rice takes a man who can sacrifice। क्या बात है। और अगर आप भी ये सैक्रिफाइस करने के लिए तैयार हैं तो आप हेल्दी लिविंग की तरफ अपना पहला कदम बढ़ा चुके हैं। बहुत ज़रूरी है थोड़ा बहुत हेल्दी खाना। एंड हेल्दी खाना कैसे खाएंगे आप जब तक हम आपको बनाना सिखाएंगे नहीं। इसीलिए वी हैव इंटरनेशनल लाइफस्टाइल कंसल्टेंट अहलम अली जो आएंगी और आपको एक बढ़िया लेट मी रिफ्रेज दैट, आपको एक बढ़िया हेल्दी तवा चिकन बनाना सिखाएंगी।
Hi, I'm Ahlam Ali, and on Flavors of Ramadan, I'm here to show you yet another really healthy recipe. I'm going to take you through tawa chicken right now, which your entire family is going to really love. You're going to start with putting a little bit of oil in here. So if it's a non-stick pan, you literally need just 1 teaspoon or maximum 1 tablespoon of oil. Make sure you don't exceed that. A little bit of garam masala. About a teaspoon. Put in your chilies. Let it all fry for about 2 minutes. And you don't need it very high, you just need it enough to cook, and that's when you just put in your minced chicken. Now make sure that your minced chicken is really lean, as in no fat, and then have it minced, because that's the best way to have it. The trick is to actually make sure that it's completely evenly covered with the masalas, and then keep cooking it and frying it until it's done. Added the peas. I'm going to add the broccoli, and I'm going to put in the chopped green peas. And you can add red peppers if you like, you can add red chilies, you can add pretty much anything. And let it all cook quite a while. It takes about half an hour of serious cooking. At this stage, we add a little bit of salt. And juice of 1 whole lemon. It stops you having to add more oil. And you let it cook for a good 20 minutes. Now that it's really beginning to catch color, what I would suggest is we put in the tomato passata. A good spoonful, big fat spoonful. और इसको फिर आप stir करते रहें, and you will see the color coming within the red and the brownish sort of tones. So you let it cook for another few minutes, and when you see it nicely browned, that's when we're going to add in our onions. And we don't want to cook the onions too much. You just want them as a bit of a garnish. And now if you look closely, it's really beautifully browned, and you can smell that charred aroma. So it's ready to be served. Let's plate it. Okay. Are you ready for this? Check this out. And the amazing part is you can even use it in sandwiches, as sandwich fillers for your kids. You can have it in, a bun, a roll, anything you like. It's now ready. We're just going to garnish it with a bit of mint. You can garnish it with coriander, with basil, or with mint, whichever leaf you actually like the taste of. And here it is, a completely easy, nutritious, and healthy recipe that you can use throughout Ramadan for iftar or suhoor. If you are looking for other healthy recipes, you could always refer to my Hottie's Handbook. Eat healthy, stay healthy.
एक पैन में तेल को गरम कीजिए और उसमें गरम मसाला और मिर्च को 2 मिनट तक पकाएं। 2 मिनट बाद मिन्स चिकन को पैन में मिला दीजिए। अब उसमें ऐड कीजिए मटर, चॉप्ड ब्रोकली, फ्रेंच बीन्स, नमक और नींबू का रस। थोड़ी देर बाद उसमें टोमेटो पसाता को मिला दीजिए। 10 से 15 मिनट के बाद स्लाइस्ड अनियंस को पैन में डाल दीजिए और 2 मिनट तक पकाएं। अब तवा चिकन को मिंट लीव्स के साथ गार्निश कीजिए।
It's a K Company production.